Do you love Alfa Romeo and its iconic SUV, the Stelvio? Are you curious about what the next generation model will look like and what kind of power it will have? If so, you are in the right place because in this video, we will show you an exclusive rendering of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio and tell you everything we know so far about its design and performance. Stay tuned because this is going to be exciting. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. We appreciate your support and we promise to deliver more amazing content like this in the future. The current Alfa Romeo Stelvio is one of the most stylish and dynamic SUVs on the market, but it is also getting a bit old. The Italian brand is planning to replace it with a new model around 2025, and we have some exclusive information about what to expect from it. But what about the design? Well, we have created an exclusive rendering of the new Stelvio based on some clues from Alfa Romeo's recent models and concepts. As you can see in the gallery below, the new SUV will have a complete overhaul in the styling department, with influences from the stunning 33 Stradale concept. The new Stelvio will feature a new interpretation of the brand's logo, slimmer headlights, and a mostly closed-off front fascia with air openings in the lower section. The rear end will also be very interesting, with C-shaped taillights connected by a coast-to-coast LED stripe. But there's more. There's another pair of illuminated bars that form a triangle, with Alfa Romeo's logo in the center of that shape. This logo is presented in a more historic font here, giving the SUV a retro touch. We think this rendering looks amazing, and we hope Alfa Romeo will take some inspiration from it when designing the new Stelvio. Of course, this is just our imagination and speculation at this point, but we are confident that the real thing will be equally stunning and exciting. What do you think of our rendering of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio? Do you like it or not? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you next time.